2 seconds again for your dumpling to cook, and your oil down is ready. Good afternoon, I'm Sylvia. I'm located at 31 Gaskin Road, Bonaccord, Tobago. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm not here selling food today. I'm just doing a demonstration to you all to show you how we do the breadfruit oil down. All right, the first step is, this is the pot on the stove there. Follow me, I put a little oil, not much, a little. And this is all the ingredients. As you see here, this is the ingredients that we are using to make the oil down. Everything here. With local breadfruit, pumpkin, onion, dashing leaves, carrots, all. So we don't have to hot the pot really, just to throw a little in this. Shall we bring the rest of the ingredients? The coconut milk. The stove high, girl. This is the dashing leaves. This is carrots, finely chopped, and this is pumpkin. It isn't cooking, just sauteing everything going in one time, actually. So we put the breadfruit, ready? And here is the coconut milk. Ready? Fresh coconut milk. Sugar and salt to taste. Salt to taste. But sugar is not compulsory. Yeah. We try to do them at one size, you know.
So that's flour dumpling?
Flour. This is the same flour mixed with the cornmeal. But you can use just flour. Come and put in the dumplings now. Two seconds again for your dumpling to cook, and your oil down is ready. I'm presenting to you the oil down. This is done vegetarian. The reason why, everybody can partake of it. So we do all the meats on the side, like the pigtail, the fish, and any other meat you wish to eat it with. I'm serving to you today with kingfish, steamed kingfish.